So this is a regular kitchen bar stool, and obviously I had to disconnect the bottom to show you. But usually what happens is this whole thing just moves from wear and tear, and eventually it just cracks. I already did this side. It's not moving. I'm going to show you how. All you have to do is unscrew it, obviously, from the base. You flip the chair. And you're going to have these staples. And all I used, you have all these staples. So you just pop them open with a flathead screwdriver. And then what I do is, I pull them out with nose pliers. Just pull them out, throw them in the trash. And once you do that, okay, and then you do the second layer. It's very simple. You see the staples, they go around. You take this back, and what happens is with these chairs is, and they're expensive, a couple $100 a piece. What you can see is the plywood breaks. Okay, so you just throw these old pieces out. You could see where the gyro screw is, and it's not holding anymore. So you have two options. Very easy fix. Very easy. Fold this back. This is all plywood. And then here in the base is plywood as well. So what I do is two things you can do. You can either put an L bracket like this. Okay. I'll show you this way. Put a screw right in here that's going to go through this wall and going to go through this thick wall. Put another one here, and then to the bottom piece, and you have to understand this cushion, there's only about an inch. So what I use is no longer than an inch screw on this side. Well, this has a sticker on this. It has holes on both sides. And you just drill these screw in. And what it does is just tighten this whole entire side. And then all you have to do once you do that, even if you don't have an L bracket, you can just use a gyro screw like they did right here. And screw it right into here. And it actually will do the same exact thing. But I use the L bracket because it holds a lot better. So all you gotta do is just literally screw this in. Hard with the phone. Screw this in, and it's gonna go right through and catch this plywood. What I also do is, if you're planning on doing that without the L bracket, I suggest you to use a washer. This one's small, but I recommend you using a bigger head washer, something like, for example, like this with a small hole. I just used one of these, something like this. So when you do put this in, it's gonna grip more and it's gonna hold a lot better. Vice versa, you see the plywood crack, what they did is they didn't put, one, they drilled their screw way too deep. Way too deep. If they would have left the screw, the washer up right here, stopped it right here, it would have never happened. It's the second chair. I got 8 of these. Second chair I repaired in about a 4-year span. So not bad, but this is gonna basically stop it forever. And I used the L bracket. The other chair I fixed, I didn't, and it's still holding up. But this time I said, I'm gonna make it so I don't have to take it out. And then when you're done, you just put everything back. Put everything back. Put this back on top. And then you can use a regular staple gun. I had this one. I didn't buy one. This is the one that contractors use. And all I do is just bam, bam, put all the staples back, and you're done. And instead of throwing the chair out or having squeaky noises or somebody leaning on it and end up cracking and falling back. Thank you.